the ancestor of all mountains, the wellspring of Chinese civilization. This is the holy place of deities. It relies on the majestic snow-capped mountains in the south and the boundless desert in the north, traveling through the tops of alpine meadows and the undulating canyons. I relish an exploration which is different from others. Some people like endings. They set out just to reach the end, while I like beginnings and enjoy the feeling of exploring the starting point. The origin of everything, the genesis of life, and the beginning of stories. With reverence, I travel over mountains and rivers with Kaiyi X7. Explore the mysteries and the unknown.